Most people preparing for the AWS Certified AI Practitioner exam make one mistake. They focus on tools like Bedrock and SageMaker, but lose easy marks on basic AI concepts. So, in this video, you'll go through 10 exam-style questions to quickly test your understanding of things like supervised learning, training data, overfitting, and model evaluation. If you're planning to take this certification, this is a fast way to check if you're actually ready. We've already covered generative AI fundamentals. Watch that after this. But for now, let's dive into one of the most important exam topics, AI and machine learning fundamentals. Question 1. What is the primary goal of generative AI models? A. Predict future trends. B. Monitor system metrics. C. Store large data sets. D. Generate new content. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is B. Learn patterns from data. Machine learning allows systems to automatically learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. This is a fundamental concept tested in many AWS Certified AI Practitioner exam questions. Question 2. Which type of machine learning uses labeled data for training? A. Unsupervised learning. B. Reinforcement learning. C. Supervised learning. D. Transfer learning. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is C. Supervised learning. In supervised learning, models are trained using labeled data sets, meaning the correct output is already known. This helps the model learn relationships between inputs and outputs. Question 3. What is training data in machine learning? A. Data used to teach the model patterns. B. Data used to evaluate model performance. C. Data used only for storage. D. Data used for deployment. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is A. Data used to teach the model patterns. Training data is the data set used to train a machine learning model, allowing it to learn patterns and relationships that can later be applied to new data. Question 4. What is overfitting in machine learning? A. When a model performs well on new data. B. When a model uses too little data. C. When a model trains too quickly. D. When a model memorizes but fails. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is D. When a model but fails. Overfitting occurs when a model becomes too closely aligned with the training data and cannot generalize to new, unseen data. Practicing AWS Certified AI Practitioner exam questions regularly can help you understand how these concepts appear in real exam scenarios. Many learners use CERT's hero practice questions for better preparation. Question 5. Which metric is commonly used to evaluate a classification model? A. Accuracy. B. Storage size. C. Network latency. D. CPU utilization. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is A. Accuracy. Accuracy measures how often a model correctly predicts the outcome. It is one of the most commonly used metrics for evaluating classification models. Question 6. What is the purpose of a test data set? A. Train the model. B. Evaluate on new data. C. Store model outputs. D. Increase model complexity. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is B. Evaluate on new data. A test data set is used after training to determine how well the model performs on unseen data, ensuring it can generalize effectively. Question 7. What does unsupervised learning focus on? A. Learning from labeled data sets. B. Predicting known outcomes. C. Identifying patterns in unlabeled data. D. Monitoring cloud systems. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is C. Identifying patterns in unlabeled data. Unsupervised learning is used to discover hidden structures or groupings in data without predefined labels. Question 8. What is the goal of reinforcement learning? A. Learn through rewards and penalties. B. Classify labeled data. C. Store training data sets. D. Compress data. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is A. Learn through rewards and penalties. Reinforcement learning trains models by rewarding correct actions and penalizing incorrect ones, allowing them to improve decision-making over time. Question 9. What is a feature in machine learning? A. A model output. B. A performance metric. C. A storage location. D. A training input variable. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is D. A training input variable. Features are the individual measurable properties or characteristics used by a model to make predictions. Question 10. What is the purpose of model evaluation? A. Train the model. B. Measure performance. C. Store data. D. Deploy infrastructure. Take 5 seconds before answering. The correct answer is B. Measure how well the model performs. Model evaluation helps determine whether a machine learning model is accurate, reliable, and ready for real-world use. Let's quickly recap what we covered today. In this video, you explored 10 AWS Certified AI Practitioner AI and ML exam questions, covering supervised learning, overfitting, datasets, evaluation metrics, and core machine learning concepts. In upcoming videos, we'll continue covering more AWS Certified AI Practitioner exam topics to help you prepare step-by-step for the AIF-C01 certification exam. If you want more realistic practice questions, visit certshero.com and start testing your knowledge with exam-level practice tests. And don't forget to like, subscribe to IT Pro Mindset, and keep building your AWS AI skills.